Hello everyone. So guys, here we go. So I welcome you all the viewers on Facebook to the live mega quiz grip grade 8. Finally, we are here after months of awaiting. And today we have with us all three finalists that have been selected, that have been drilled through different stages, through different quizzes, different activities. Then they have gone through classes in the super batch also. And finally, they're all here with us. So with you guys over here and the finalists, I think we are really good to go. We can start with this. So let me tell you about the GRIP program. First of all, this GRIP started in September. It's been around 4 months, 4 months of effort. Not just these three finalists, many of the students have actually won the super batch entry also they have had, and then they have gone through different classes and they really enjoyed it. We had a felicitation program a couple of days ago, and that was also live on Facebook. And now we are streaming grade 8 live mega quiz GRIP today. So let me tell you what we have over here to win today. So first of all, the first prize that we have over here is a smartwatch. The winner is going to get. The second prize is going to be a smart speaker. The second prize holder is going to get, and the third person is going to get an earphone, a Bluetooth earphone. And not just the winners. It's a surprise. Surprisingly, we also have prizes for you guys. So within this quiz today, we'll be asking you a question somewhere in between, and if you answer that question, you will have an opportunity to win the test series of Ask IITians of your grade. So there's something really to win over here. So I guess we are ready to go. So I think I should be telling you about, I should be introducing without even waiting who the three people are going to be. Although we have introduced them in the felicitation also, but here we are going to introduce them today again. So I think let's see who is going to be the top three and who is finally going to be the rank one holder of the GRIP grade 8. So please give me an opportunity to introduce to you the top three finalists. So I'll introduce the first finalist that we have out of the three. So let's have some drum rolls to give them an entry over here. So drum rolls playing. And the first finalist is Hiba Beg from India. So Hiba is there with us. Hiba, could you please come forward?
Yes, hello everyone. Good evening to all the people watching at home. I'm Hiba Beg, studying in grade 8 in Aditya Birla Public School, Odisha. I'm currently living in a very beautiful and remote place. A little about myself. I have always been a hardworking person who always believes in positivity and has a big hunger for learning, be it from any source. So, and I would say that truly this whole online learning has been of very great benefit, especially learning from all these top level faculties. So all I would say at last is I would wish my fellow competitors the very best of luck, and let's make this performance memorable.
Oh, that's very well said, Hiba. That's very well said. Nice words. Anyways, tell me about your excitement about the quiz, how you have prepared for it, how nervous you feel or how confident you feel about it.
Well, I wouldn't say I'm too confident about it. I mean, I am feeling a little bit nervous, but hopefully it will go well. So yeah, I have my fingers crossed.
Okay. So with Hiba saying these words, very confident she sounds though. We can move to the next finalist. The next finalist, again, I'll welcome him or her to drum rolls. So the next finalist is Chaitri Das. So Chaitri from India is the second finalist. Chaitri, would you come here? Please join us in this quiz.
Hello, I'm
Yes,
Chaitri,
Chaitri.
and
Yeah.
I presently live in Tamil Nadu and I study Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2. And I'm really excited for this thing. though I'm not confident about it. And nothing. I just enjoyed this entire GRIP program, and I wish all the best, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, Chatri. So let's see who the finalist, the third finalist is, who you're going to compete with. So let's welcome the third finalist that we have over here in Grade 8 Live Mega Quiz. And the third finalist is Faiz Khan from India again. So Faiz.
Hello there. Good evening,
Yes.
all viewers. And my name is Faiz Khan. I'm from India and I'm currently residing in Mumbai. I'd love to share my experience on the GRIP program, which was started to be conducted a few months back. I think it's 4 months. And we kicked it off on the first stage where we competed in a lot of quizzes, activities, which we also participated in. And they were really extraordinary, something out of the box. And it was a great experience. And then a few of us, which performed the best, we made it into the super batch, the stage 2. And there the excellent faculty, they exposed us to the great new inventions and latest technology. And those sessions were so valuable, really benefiting. And here we are. I think this is the stage 2 as well. And here we are. So it's been a great experience.
Great, guys, great. I would wish all the best to all three of you. So let's see how it turns out to be. Again, I would address our viewers on Facebook who might have just joined. Guys, we are going to have prizes not just for these three finalists, but you guys also. And somewhere in between, we're going to ask a question, which is to be answered within the given time, within this quiz's time. And if you win it, if you get the right answer, you're going to win an opportunity to have the test series of Ask Titans also for you, of your grade. So I think with this, we are ready to go. We are ready to start with the first round. So shall we?
Let's begin.
Yeah, let's begin.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is going to be the scoreboard throughout this. There are 4 rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 4. And cumulatively, your scoring is going to get added. And that's how it's going to go. After every round, I'll be updating the scores, and let's see how the numbers are going to change after every round. So the first round that we have is fastest fingers first. So let me tell you the rules of this round. So the rules are, first of all, there are going to be 5 questions in which there will be 4 options. And in those options, you have to arrange them in the order. There will be an order given in the question. According to that, you have to arrange the 4 options. For example, if there's a question and you find B first in the order mentioned in the question, option B is correct first. So you'll try to write B, then C, then A, and then D. That's how you're going to enter the answer. Okay. And let me tell you the other rules. The one who is going to answer first, the very first answer that will receive in the chat over here, he is going to get the score of plus 20 over here. Okay, plus 20 for every question, which is going to be answered first and correctly. If somebody answers first and does not give the right answer, the second person who gave the answer, which would be the correct answer, would be getting that score of plus 20. There's no negative marking as such, but let's you grabs it. And if I talk about the time, only 30 seconds will be given to attempt each question. Okay. So in 30 seconds, you have to arrange it, you have to type it, and you have to send the answer also. After 30 seconds, if you send the answer, it won't be entertained. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Begin.
So Hiba, ready? Chatri, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. So let us move to the first question that we have over here. 3, 2, 1, go. The first question is, arrange the following oceans from smallest to largest: Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Okay, 2 people have given the answer within the next 10 seconds. Okay, all 3 are given the answers. Great, guys, great. All 3 are given the answers: A, C, B, D. And the correct answer is none of them. Nobody got the score in this. This is not the correct answer. Guys, did you read the question?
It's smallest to largest, not largest to small.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, how can I miss
How
that?
how can you guys do it? All three of
Oh my
you.
god.
And were we correct the opposite way?
What?
Were we correct in the opposite way? So was the answer D, B, C, A?
Yeah. So instead of plus 20, maybe we can give minus 20 marks the opposite way. Perhaps you wanted? You answered first.
No thanks. No thanks. I guess the
Okay.
nerves got to us.
So let's try to answer the question first. So shall we move to the next question? There are 5 questions, 4 questions still to go. Okay. So the second question that we have is, arrange the following countries in the basis of their increasing size: Singapore, Germany, Egypt, Mauritius. Okay, again, all three are given within the first 10 seconds only. Again, answers in first 10 seconds. And let's see. Oh, I'm so sorry. Not the time. Okay. So you have answered B, C, D, A, all three of you. And the correct answer is, it was in increasing order. Do you think Germany is small? Guys, the correct answer is A, B, B, C. Singapore is the smallest, then there is Mauritius, and then there is Germany, and at the end there is the largest is Egypt. Again,
We did it
nobody
again.
gets any score in this. Okay, I think you guys should take
This is
time.
zero round.
There are 30 seconds. You are
Yeah.
answering in first 8 seconds. Okay. So shall we move to the next question then?
Yes.
Okay. So the third question that we have over here is, arrange the following rivers on the basis of their increasing size, increasing length, and those are Yamuna, Columbia, Nile, and Ganga.
Oh god. Yes. I will forget.
Okay. Again, everyone gave the answer. Let's stop the timer also. Yeah. So CBAD given by Hiba. B.
We are ulta again. We have done it ulta again. It's 9, which is the largest. It's all
Okay,
wrong.
let me tell the viewers also what they have sent. Hiba has sent CBAD, Faz has sent BADC, Chatri BADC same. And Faz has changed it to CDBAB? No, that's not allowed. So the correct answer of the third question is CDBA.
CD?
No, CDBA is the correct answer. The largest is Nile, then there is Ganga, then there is Columbia, and then there is Yamuna.
Okay.
So again, zero,
This is
all
such a
three.
zero round.
Okay.
I did the question wrong.
Again, you try to answer very quickly, guys. Take your time, at least some sort. That's the strategy that we follow in cricket also, na? If
Right,
3 or
yeah.
4 players get out in the beginning only, start taking runs one by one, two by two.
Yeah.
Don't go for sixes first. Okay. So I think we should move to the fourth question then. The second last question of this round.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the fourth question that we have over here is, arrange the following scientists or mathematicians in the increasing order of their birth year: Isaac Newton, Einstein, Edward Jenner, and Srinivasan Ramanujan.
I'm wrong. I'm so wrong in this.
Okay, everyone has answered this again within 20 seconds.
Wrong.
So Chatri, BCAD, Faz, ACBD, and Hima has answered ABCD. Okay, the correct answer is, that answer in increasing order of their birth year. Yeah, the oldest of them all was who? Everyone has guessed. Okay, Chatri says Einstein, and Hima and Faz say Faz.
Newton.
Okay.
Newton.
Isaac Newton is the oldest of them. Then came Edward Jenner, then came Einstein, and then in the end came Ramanujan. So the correct answer is of Fez.
Yes,
Fez has
finally.
answered it correctly. So Fez with a score of plus 20 over here. And nobody has taken away anything from this round till now, till the fourth question. But one question is still left. So Fez already with the lead, although a bit late, I should not say already. Let's see. Shall we move to the next one? The last question of this round?
Sure.
Okay. So the last question of this round fifth question of the round one is, arrange the following wildlife sanctuaries in India from north to south. Kaziranga National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Corbett National Park, and Bandipur National Park. Half the time is over. February. 5 seconds left. No, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. I think Chatri has got stuck. Chatri.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Chatri. Can you hear us? You're muted. Chatri, you're muted. Chatri, can you hear us now?
Can you hear me now? I can.
Yes, we can hear you now. Oh no. Okay, anyways, Chatri's has not submitted any answer. So only two submissions are there. CBAD by Fez, CBAD. And Hiba says CABD. Okay, all three of you are from India only. You should answer the questions based on India. We ask questions on India. Okay. So both have said C is the first, Corbett National Park. Of course, Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Then you guys, okay, there's where you are differing. Faz says Ranthambore, which is in Rajasthan, and Hiba says Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam. Which one is correct then? Who's wrong? Hiba won this. See you.
Wow.
So topmost is Corbett in Uttarakhand. Then there is Kaziranga in Assam, and then there is this Ranthambore in Rajasthan, and lastly Bandipur in Karnataka. So Hiba wins this round and gets a score of plus 20. And we don't know if Chatri would have got this score or not, but she got disconnected. She lost this opportunity. Okay. So in this round, Hiba has got 20. Faz has got also 20. Chatri has got no score. And let's see. Chatri, are you able to hear us now?
She says the screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. So Chatri, I would say you reconnect. Okay, it is. Okay,
visible.
fine. Okay, so guys, let's do one thing. Let's look at the scores now on the scoreboard. So here's the scoreboard. At the top, like two people are there at the top. Hiba and Faiz have got a cumulative score of 20, and Chatri has got no score out of this round. Chatri, you think you'll be able to continue? Internet is good to go internet-wise. Still, there are many rounds. That's not an issue. Okay, shall we continue? Okay. Okay. But as I told our viewers also, after this round, we are actually going to give a question to viewers through which they can win prizes. So the viewers that we have on Facebook, streaming, looking at this live stream on Facebook right now, we have a question for you. There's an image given over here, and you have to find as many errors that are possible for you to find in this picture. And this answer you're going to give us till the end of the quiz. The person who gives the highest, spots the highest number of errors in this is going to win this, and he's going to win the test series of Ask IITians of his grade. And the image of this picture, like, because we'll be proceeding with the quiz, this image will be visible in the story of in the Facebook and Instagram stories of Ask IITians. So by the end of the quiz, you can start finding the errors also along with attending the quiz. And there is a submission form in the comments in Facebook. You might be able to find it. So the link has been shared over there. Whatever your answer is, you're going to submit it over there. Okay, the image will be visible. Again, I would repeat, the image will be visible in the Facebook account, in the Facebook story and the Instagram story of Ask IITians. There you might be able to see this picture. Try to find as many errors as possible. The one who spots highest number of errors would be given the award of Ask IITians test series for his grade for the whole year. So there's not to win. I think Hiba, Faiz, and Chetri might also think this prize might be just bigger than the prize that we are getting. So yeah, guys. So by the end of the quiz, we'll be removing this form. By then, you have to answer this and explore the opportunity of winning the prizes. So shall we move to the next round then? By then, Hiba, Faiz, Chetri.
Sure, let's give it a go.
Okay. So the second round that we have is rapid fire round. So let me tell you the rules for this round. So the first rule over here is, for each finalist, there is going to be a set of 5 questions. Now, it's not first one to answer the question wins the reward. Here, everyone will be given an opportunity and all the spotlight would be on one of you only. So
Okay.
one by one, we're going to pick you guys, and we're going to ask 5 questions in a row from you. Okay, 90 seconds in total will be given to you to answer those 5 questions. Now it's up to you how you utilize that. You want to answer question first, third, then come back to second, then go to fifth. It's up to you. It's completely your choice. I'll be telling you the timer, how much time has actually passed till then. You have to see how you utilize that. And let me tell you the scoring. Positive 20 score for every correct answer that you're giving. But there will be a negative score of 5 also this time. Okay. So 90 seconds timer, plus 20, minus 5, 5 questions in a row. So who's going to be the first one?
Me. I'm not gonna do it first.
No, we are going to start with, who answered the question first? Faiz. We are going to start with Faiz. So Faiz would be given the first set of questions, the 5 questions, 90 seconds timer. And then will come the chance of Hiba, and then lastly, Chetri.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Faiz? Ready to go?
Ready.
Okay. So, oh, sorry, I forgot to mention. There's an additional score of plus 10 also if you answer all of them.
Okay.
So if you answer all of them, you won't be getting 100, you'll be getting 110.
Right.
Okay. So let's start with set A, which is for Faiz. So Faiz, you're going to tell me whenever you want me to move to the next question or you do not want me to. You want me to move to the previous question also. That's your choice.
All right.
Okay.
So we can move to the previous question too.
So yeah, we can move to the previous question. Okay, Faiz, rules are clear? Any doubts?
Yes,
first
no,
one.
no doubts. All clear.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with it. Your time starts now.
C.
Correct.
Next. A.
Did you say A?
No, not yet.
You said something. What did you say? Quickly tell me.
C, option C, rustic.
Wrong. Twenty seconds remaining.
Next.
Ten.
Galvanometer.
Nine.
B.
Correct. Timer. So you have answered the first. Let me go back. You've answered the first question correctly. 103, 102.
Okay.
Then second one was actually master the D option D.
Mm-hmm.
Then the third question that we had, its answer was you didn't even attempt it. Good strategy. Then the fourth one, galvanometer, right? So you've got two correct, and this one you did not get opportunity for.
So which was
Okay.
the correct option
So
in this
two,
question?
in this one,
Yep.
in this question, sodium thiosulfate.
Okay.
So you attempted first question. That for that you get plus 20. For the second one, which you attempted incorrectly, -5. Third one you did not attempt. Fourth one you chose galvanometer, which is again correct. So you get a score of plus 20 plus 20 minus 5. That's 35.
35. Okay.
So Faz takes away 35 score out of it. So that's really good score. Okay. So next is Hiba. Chatri, I think not disconnected. Chatri is not there, no?
Yeah, she
No.
isn't in the meeting.
Okay. She'll join now. Chatri?
Hello?
Yeah, Chatri,
I
can you hear
just
us?
got removed from the meeting. I don't know how.
We did not remove you. We want you to be here.
No, I was removed from the meeting. It was like the host removed you from the meeting.
I am the host. I am not removing you. That's not my intention. Okay. Shall we continue?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's continue.
So second is actually Hiba.
Yeah.
Okay, Hiba. So tell me when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay. So the set B for Hiba and timer I'm going to start. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
B.
Wrong.
D.
Correct.
C.
Correct.
I'll skip this one.
Half the time is over. Okay. Thirty seconds remaining. 10,
B.
9. That's not correct. Okay, so Eva got 2 questions correct and 2 questions incorrect. So that makes her score plus 40 minus 10, that's plus 30. Again, a very good score to take away. So very nice, very well played, Eva, you also. And guys, I would like to tell the answer for this question. Anyone of you, any 3 of you know the answer to this? You
USA.
will be
Is it
getting any
US?
score.
US.
USA.
It must be the US.
The Apollo missions when Neil Armstrong.
That was for satellite.
Wait, it's satellite. I guess that's also US only because it's
No,
heading
it's
everywhere.
Russia, USSR.
That was the first landing on moon.
Okay.
My bad.
First landing on the moon. Yes. Okay. So that's the score. Hiba is taking back. That's plus 30. And now we can move to the last set. Let's see. Chetri,
Yeah.
90 seconds will be given to you. Your internet should not go in those 90 seconds. That's the first thing you should ensure.
That's not good.
Okay. Fine. If by chance the internet goes away, we'll be skipping that question. Okay. We'll stop the timer, but we'll skip that question. Okay. That you won't be able to answer. Then we'll start the timer in that case, and then you'll be able to continue with the next question.
Okay.
Okay. So ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So your set starts now.
It's 3.
Correct.
Oh God, this is from last year's one.
This is the exact same.
This is the exact same. This was set C last time too. I remember it.
Exactly.
Yeah, I just watched the whole video today. It's B.
I can give you all the answers right
It's
now.
B. It's
Correct.
B.
Yeah, guys, don't speak right now.
Okay, so it's 80 centimeter. Oh God, it's conversion. Can I skip this and I can come back to this again?
Your choice.
A young person with. Oh God, I'm so bad at English.
55 seconds are over.
Skip this too.
Okay.
Component. It's kerosene. No, wait. No, I changed it. No, I'm changing it. It's petrol.
You answered it actually.
No, it's petrol.
You
I
answered
changed.
it.
No, I changed it.
You still have time. You want to move to some other question?
Yeah, third
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Third one. I want to go to the third one, not the fourth one. Third
What's
one.
wrong? What is the third question? Okay, time.
Okay, right.
Okay, so Chetri, you have got 2 correct, 1 incorrect.
Wait,
the 2,
no, I
3 and 4 you
answered
did
it
not attempt. You answered incorrectly.
No, I answered it petrol. Seriously, I didn't.
Ma game, ma rules. So 2 are correct, 1 is incorrect. So plus 40 minus 5, that makes again plus 35. So the top scores from this round has been taken by Faiz and Chetri. And then actually Hiba has also taken a very good score. So fifth one, yeah. Okay, so after this, we're going to move to round 3, which is write the riddles. But for now, let's go to the scoreboard again and see. Yeah, guess you're able to see this. So Hiba has got a score of 30 in this round, so that makes a score 50 cumulatively till now. Chatri has got 35 out of this round, so that's a total of 35. And Faz is at the top with 35 taking away from this round. That makes his score 55. So Faz is at the top right now, followed by Hiba, and then at the last Chatri. So half of the quiz is done. And
yeah,
Hiba is very close to the first one. Actually, guys, all three of you are very close to the in score. Although it seems like Chatri is a bit far, but 15 mark score is not going to be more looking at the scores that we are getting in every round. So I think, shall we move to this round? Write the riddles.
Let's begin.
yeah.
Okay. So in this, I'll tell you the rules first of all. There are going to be 6 riddles in this. So those riddles are to be answered in 60 seconds. All 3 of you are going to participate in this at the same time. Again, it's going to be the one who answers first, but the rules are going to be a bit different from the earlier one, from the first round.
Okay.
If you want to attempt this question, you're going to type IN in the chat. Okay, so for example, if when I give the question, you feel like you know the answer, at that very moment, you're going to type in, not before that. Otherwise, if you do not know the answer, type in. If I ask you the answer, if you do not tell it instantaneously, you will be disqualified from this question. Okay, only if you know the answer, you're going to type in. If I get 2 or 3 answers, if I get 2 or 3 ins, the one who answered typed in first, he'll get the opportunity. If he answers it correctly, he or she, he'll be getting a score of plus 20 for it. But if he gets it wrong, no issues, no negative marking. But then he won't be getting the opportunity for this question. And the next person who sent in those 30 seconds only, will be getting the 60 seconds only. He'll be getting the opportunity. Okay. If the second person is also not able to answer, then the third person will answer, and this time he'll be getting only plus 15 because 2 of the answers will be revealed which are incorrect. Okay. So those are the rules for this. 6 riddles in total, 60 seconds, 1 minute for every question. Whoever types IN first in the chat will get the first opportunity. The one to type in second might get second if the first one is not able to answer, and then the third one.
No
Any
negative.
questions about the round, about the rules?
No negative.
marking, but only one opportunity for a question. If you type IN the second time, it won't be considered.
So
All
it's plus 20 for the
Okay.
first one, plus 15 for the second, and for the third, is it? It's what?
For third, it's plus 10.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Okay. So plus 20, plus 15, and plus 10. Any questions? Anything else you want to ask?
No, no doubts.
Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah. So shall we begin? 1 minute timer. Okay. Just keep your fingers on IN and on enter. Only if you know the answer. If you send IN and I do not answer instantly, you would be disqualified from the question. So the first riddle that we have over here in this round is riddle 1. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? So first, Paz said, Paz. Okay, let's wait for others. Chatri has sent in second. And then third. Paz, what's your answer?
Maybe because he was under some shade.
Hiba, what's your answer?
Sir, it's me next, sir. I didn't write in.
Sorry, Chatri. I'm so sorry. Chatri, yes.
He didn't even have a hair. He didn't have hair in his head. Like.
Correct.
Yes.
He was outside in the rain. Outside. So friends, your answer is not correct. Chatri's answer is correct. So Chatri gets a score of plus 20 from this, plus 15 from this round. He answered it the second. So Chatri gets plus 15 for this. Okay. So let's move to the next riddle. Riddle 2. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on the boat. How is that possible? Okay. Chatri, you sent for this in?
Yes, sir. Excellent, sir.
Yeah. What's your answer, Chatri?
Sir, I guess like the boat is really far away from the person who's looking at it, so he couldn't see anyone.
No. Faiz, what's your answer? 20 seconds.
It was
remaining.
drawn. It wasn't real.
What?
It wasn't drawn. So maybe a drawing or sketch, painting.
No. Hiva, what's your answer? 10 seconds remaining.
Wait, I got this. Sir, can I answer after everyone?
No.
I'm not gonna
If
get
you
any
answer,
points.
Hiva will be getting the score.
No, I'm not gonna answer.
Time.
I'm gonna answer after.
Time is up.
Sir,
Okay. So
can
nobody
I,
got any score out of this? Yes,
Can I
Chatri.
just-
What's the answer?
It's single. I guess all of them are married or something like that. It's,
Yes.
oh God,
That
I
was
would
the
have
answer.
told it.
Single as in one person.
Okay. What? What's it?
Single
Faiz?
as in an unmarried person.
Yeah. I just saw the word single and it suddenly came. But it's after the time, sad.
Guys, you are trying to answer very quickly. At least try to get the try to give the correct answers. Okay. Anyways, let's move to the third riddle that we have over here. So for the third result, time starts now. What 5-letter word comes before short? What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
5-letter word becomes short when you add what? 5-letter words. I guess I know this.
30 seconds remaining.
Can I?
Okay, all three of you have sent it. Okay, great. So first, Chatri gets the opportunity.
Yes. I guess it's shorter. Shorter.
Yes.
I love readers. I do, like it's.
Hiba,
Yeah.
what was your answer anyways?
So well, short isn't the answer. Short is the answer because it's asking the 5-letter word.
No, she meant that only. She said short.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not playing with that. Come on, we know what she meant.
I got the
Yes.
answer. Just it's matter of time. I actually got the
Yeah,
answer.
exactly.
Acha,
I
everyone got this,
typed
okay?
in the split second I realized it, but I was too late.
Okay, so Chatri gets plus 20 for this. She was the first person to answer this also. Yeah.
It's a part of our school
Okay.
activity, so it's really easy. I know all of them almost.
Oh.
The first one was the toughest for me because I didn't know any of them. I just guessed that one.
Okay. So let's move to the fourth one now. Shall we start the timer?
Yeah.
Yep.
3, 2, 1. What has to be broken before you can use it? Hiba, what's your answer?
An egg. Yeah, an egg.
Correct. Great.
Finally.
Yeah, so that's the correct answer. Now, Hiva, since she answered it first, she's getting a score of plus 20 for this. And Fez under trouble. Okay. So Chatri also knew the answer, I guess. Fez,
Yeah,
you
it was
knew the
egg.
answer for this?
No, I had something else in thought.
Yeah. Okay. What did you have in mind?
Parcel. No, I thought of it parcel first.
But broken
Okay.
before you can use it. You don't use an egg. You eat an egg. You have it.
Yeah, it's a partial would be the best answer here. Like you have
You don't break a partial.
Yeah, you. Okay.
You don't use an egg.
like egg will like it.
You didn't use it? Arey.
No, we can't be using egg. We have to apply it on our skin if we need to.
So
use
imagine,
it.
like,
Yeah, we don't
okay,
always have to.
there's an
eat
alien
it.
from some other planet. No, there is an alien from the other planet, guys, and he comes and says,
Right.
"What is this? What's the use of it?" It has no use. It's useless. We just eat it. Okay. So let's continue with the next round now. So not next round, sorry, the next riddle, because we have 6 riddles over here. So the 5th riddle that we have over here is this. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Okay. Just a second. Just a second. Who answered it first? Everyone has sent it so quickly. Chetri, you answered it first. Yeah.
It's tea. It's
No.
tea. Tea.
No, that's not correct. Hiba?
No, wait. It's teapot. It's teapot.
No.
You wait,
no.
I am sorry.
Hiba, what's your answer?
It was teapot, yeah. TEAPOT. So it ends.
Yeah,
it
teapot.
starts with a T, ends with a T, and
Or
has
I'm
tea, chai in it. Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
But Chetri gave away the answer.
Yeah,
That's the correct
it was
answer.
like-
Hiba gave it again. What?
Chetri just gave the
You can't answer again.
Yeah, you cannot answer again. That's
I
what.
need to be muted.
So Hiba gets plus 15 out of this. And Chachi, you're playing really bad because you're answering after your chance is over. Like, even
I
if
need
you
to
had
get
answered and
muted.
Chachi and Hiba did not know the answer. If she answered teapot, I would have given her the score.
I needed to get muted after it.
Okay. So, from this question, Hiba is taking away plus 15. Okay. So, the last question of this round. Okay. So, let's start with the 6th and last riddle. And that is this. Bobby throws a ball as hard as he can. It comes back to him even though nothing has been, nothing touched and nobody touched it. Even though from nothing and nobody touched it. How was that possible? Hiba, what's your answer?
Well, he just threw it up in the air, so just like it came back by gravity.
Yes. Correct. So these were easy only. Just Hiba played with the timing and she again got a score of plus 20. And Fez, big disadvantage.
Double.
Huh?
I'm under pressure now.
Yes. Because after this round, Hiba has taken plus 20, plus 20, plus 15, that's plus 55. And Chatri has taken plus 35, plus 15, plus 20. So 55 by Hiba, Chatri, 35, and Faz, who was at the top. Now, let's see where he is.
Uncertain.
So, how is this round? Chatri seems to be an expert of it. Although,
I
if she had a
just
better timing, or maybe she was careful with words, she could have given.
Well,
Like,
I
scored up maybe
remember,
100.
like
If
I
that was it.
remember like reading all these riddles when like I was in grade 3 or 4. I was so fond of all these kind of riddles.
I have all these riddles in the daily,
Okay.
like we have a assembly daily, so we have it daily on our school boards. But I keep on forgetting. I
Oh.
do it ulta, and the teapot round I thought was.
You just
tea.
need to be careful and
Yeah, I didn't look at the last word as tea. Like, fine.
Yeah. When you said that, when he was saying T, I was thinking that Chatri gave just the answer, but she stopped at T, and I was
Yeah,
sure.
I was
I
like,
know,
I thought,
right?
okay, the next
Exactly.
person.
I lost all hope. Like, wow, great. I was just a split second late, and she already gave the answer.
like it's fine.
Right.
Next round. Next round.
Okay. So let's look at the scores first.
I lost the second one too.
Huh?
No, the second question, the single one, I answered it.
Okay. So here are the scores after the third, which is the second last round. Hiba scored extra 55, so that's 105 score at the top. Second is Chetri, who really took a good lead over Fez with again 35 score out of this, so that's plus 70. And Fez, who was at the top after this round? Oh, okay, no problem. We still have one more round.
This can
And
change by the next round again.
Yeah, definitely. It
I
can.
hope so. It does.
Yeah.
yeah, because the scoring for the next round is also heavy.
Okay.
Can you guess what the next round can be?
The picture
Sudoku.
observation or whatever. I don't
No,
know.
no, not the
No, it's not
pictures.
Sudoku. I think it's the
It's-
picture observation, picture memory thing.
No, pictures are so dangerous. No.
Yeah, I knew it. It was picture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, it's not spot the errors again, right?
Uh,
Let's see what it is. So next is name the person. The last round.
Person?
name the person.
Yep. There is going to be a
This, like-
person who we will show to you, and you have to tell the name of that guy.
Oh,
Like a
God.
famous personality or something.
Let it be Einstein or someone like.
Yeah, let it be
Einstein is
someone
very
obvious.
So let's talk about the rules of this round. There are going to be 3 questions, and figure of some prominent scientists have been given.
I scientist. That
Oh my god, no.
That's boring.
who looks at pictures of scientists?
What do you want? Who do you want the picture to be of? Like Bollywood stars?
Not Bollywood. I don't know,
Shapes.
random.
Shapes.
We won't
I want the
distribute
shape.
prizes for you.
I don't know,
once.
sports.
No,
Yeah.
I wanted shapes. I wanted shapes or something.
Shapes of something.
Yeah, the finding
Like-
the error ones would have been great actually. I was really excited. I was really looking forward to finding
or
the
we could
error.
have done the last year type, like there was picture shown first and questions
Picture
asked
memory.
again. Yeah, this is so
Hmm. There's so what?
the pictures like there should
It should be
pictures
something
of-
unexpected.
No, it should be pictures of Einstein and all, like we know them for their hair and all now. So
Einstein is way too famous.
So if
Yeah,
in the
he's
picture
way
is with
too
the hair
old.
dye,
It's definitely not gonna be Einstein.
Or Newton.
it's up.
Let's wait and watch
which
who
of the
it is.
scientists do you think you can recognize? Okay, let's not spoil it. Let's not spoil it. Otherwise,
Yeah,
other
yeah.
people might be able to answer the question. Okay. So the rules again are same as earlier. You're going to type in for every picture. If you answer it correctly
get-
first, you get plus 20.
We're gonna get
Hmm?
more time, right?
There's no time.
How long do we get?
More time as in how much?
3-4 hours. No, we'll see. Actually, this round is pretty simple for you. So 1 to 2 minutes, I think that'll be fine. But remember,
No,
now
5
the other
minutes.
guy can just answer the question for you.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. So you want to find that person in Wikipedia, and you want to
It's impossible. Like
know
we have
about
to
his whole
click
life.
pictures. No, you're gonna show us pictures. So how is it possible to Google the person? when
so-
we do-
There's picture search on Google as well if you know.
Exactly.
But then we
Yeah.
need to like we have to bring our phone in front of the camera or something. Then we get caught. So
So Fez's hands I cannot see. Fez. Okay, good. Nice hands.
might too.
Okay, so yeah, again, the last person who answers it correctly will be getting plus 10. Rules are the same. So, shall we begin?
Shall we keep our
Yeah.
hands up or something like that? And then you give us
Yeah,
5 minutes.
Yes. Let's see how long you can actually keep your hands up.
How do we answer?
How are you going?
Oh. Okay. So let's start with this. I'll reset the timer.
No time.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I don't think.
Okay, Fez.
Ready?
Fez, you need to be ready.
need to be ready, right?
Wait, I have a doubt. Wait, so it's a buzz around, right?
Here also.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna write in
Okay,
already.
in, right? We have to write in, right?
Yeah, you have to write IN.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Hmm.
And no negative marking?
No negative marking.
Oh God,
Okay.
thanks.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Who's that? Hands up. Only to type IN you can.
I can hold one hand up and I need my other hand on enter.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna use my elbows for it or something.
Guys, if someone else tries IN first, you're going to lose it.
I already typed IN. No,
Wait,
no, no.
I
It
can't
doesn't.
see
Jeffrey, what's the answer?
Can't do that.
Wait, I can't even see the pic.
Yeah, I can't see the picture.
Why?
I still see the scoreboard.
Who moves
Yeah,
on?
even I
Oh,
see
okay,
the
okay.
scoreboard.
Oh, okay. I thought that was shared. Okay, just a second.
I wish that was shared.
Sorry, I'm so
You-
sorry.
And you didn't know it.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, that's why I was confused. Like should we start? And like we didn't even discuss the rules. So,
Oh.
like I asked.
Okay. Okay. So no issues. I went back. These are the rules again, the same that I told you earlier.
Wait,
Okay.
can we
Plus
type
20
in
plus
before the
15%.
question, please?
I'm so
Huh?
sorry.
Katri just typed in
No,
before.
it was.
Yeah, she typed in.
I
what
was
do you
just
type
practicing.
IN for?
Can we do that?
I'm practicing.
Yeah, you guys can practice. Then I'll start.
Okay, I practiced once. Anyway.
Let's
But
do this.
I practiced for the third time.
I need no practice.
Okay.
Oh God,
So,
why
okay,
am I
let me-
clicking enter?
I think you already typed IN in the chat. Yeah, you can do that. Just
Begin.
press enter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I have typed.
I was very
IN.
excited.
Yeah, though I'm gonna lose this
Huh?
round for sure.
Okay. So the first picture that we have over here is this.
What the hell? I guess I know him. Is there negative marking?
Jeffrey, what's the answer?
I guess it's Graham Bell or someone
No.
like that. No, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It's so obvious, guys.
Oh yes, I got this.
Jeffrey, plus 20 for this. So Chetri again got plus 20. Nice. Okay. Did you know, Hiba?
No.
Would you
I
have
had
guessed
no-
it?
I just saw that
No, I
thing.
have no idea.
I didn't know the person. I just
I
saw
know,
the
I
thing
know.
he was holding. Right? It looked like.
Yes, that's why that picture is over there. Yes?
Right. I had no idea though.
Yeah, I had no clue at all. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so do you want to move to the next picture?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next picture that we have over here is this.
Who's this? I guess it's an old man or something.
But there's no negative marking, right?
Yeah, but only one opportunity. Fez, what's your
I
answer?
guess I don't know this.
Is that Jacob M something?
No,
It's
not
an
Jacob C,
Indian.
not Jacob D. Hiba, your
I don't
opportunity.
know. Okay, I'll just guess randomly. Is it Rutherford?
No, Chatri, what's your answer?
I'm also guessing it. Is Thompson or someone?
Oh,
No, guys,
not Thompson.
Who
none of you have got
is
it right.
I know
This
it.
is
It's old man. It's an old man.
old man. Okay, so that's what we are going to call you after 70 years. Old
Yeah.
woman. That's old woman. And okay, that's so interesting. The abbreviation of his name is same as that of Chatri.
CD?
C.
I know this. I know this.
What?
Wait,
Yeah,
no, I
answer
don't.
without points, I
Yes,
guess.
yes.
Wait, no, I don't know it. I don't know. I thought it's the last. No, I thought it's the last name is the same. Never mind. Is it Rabindranath Tagore or someone?
No.
Rabindranath Tagore must be RT, not CD.
What
Like this
is
Charles
it?
Darwin.
What the?
Oh, wait, this is Charles Darwin? Oh, okay.
Oh,
It
okay.
looks
Yeah.
like any normal person. Like,
I mean, like, I'm not at all familiar with the, people.
What? He looks
No,
like a
shit.
normal person. What should he look like?
he looks like a completely normal. Like, how are you gonna identify him to this?
Exactly.
Kathy still wants that this quiz should be about Bollywood stars.
Yeah, I still want it because they are like, we can look at them and tell people that no, these people
Okay,
aren't
okay, okay.
famous.
These people, Charles Darwin is not famous. Okay.
Yeah, he's
Okay, let
famous,
me show
but
you the
like,
next famous guy over here.
He is famous, but
he's
not
famous,
so
but
famous
we,
as
yeah, that
famous.
we Google their
Not-
pictures and, we remember, like we remember it in our mind, how
We
they
just-
look like.
We just know the Bollywood stars because we see them every day. Now these
Yeah, well, I know more than Bollywood stars.
yeah, these people are old. How old? Like it's older
Hollywood
generations.
stars, probably not Bollywood ones.
Guys,
Yeah.
which one would you choose?
Sorry?
What would you prefer? Whose pictures should be shown?
Hollywood
You know,
stars.
any legends of Olympics like Usain Bolt
Who's that even?
or famous musicians, Michael Jackson or someone?
Well, I'd be fine
Okay.
with famous badminton players.
Exactly, like sport.
Okay.
No, Indian cricketers. That would be the best. Virat
Wait,
Kohli
Chatri
and
is
all.
on a different one. She wants cricketers and
She's on
Salman
another
Khan.
level,
No one
yeah,
else.
on another level.
Okay. So the last question of this quiz.
Wait, not the last one.
Shall
Right?
we move to it?
So Faz has like
Yeah.
Now, the next famous personality that we have is
nothing's gonna change out of this. Like the results are gonna be same, anyways. Okay.
the next person that we have for this is
You.
this. Who is this?
Ishan, sir.
You.
What?
Ishan
Ishan's,
Fair's on
Ishan's,
it.
of course.
Fair's on
What?
it.
No way, no
Fair
way.
gets a score of 150.
No.
I said it.
No,
For
no.
passing
Oh my
everyone.
god, no.
Yes.
Wait,
I
Shah,
said
are
it.
you serious? No way, no, please, no.
No, this is not happening. I'm kidding.
Oh my god, I got scared for a moment. I was like, what?
No fair.
Okay.
But seriously, be like in depression for like the next 2 days if this was the last question.
You won't be choosing to study from me next year for sure.
You guys are going through trauma for sure.
Okay. So let's move to the last question, the real last question. Okay. So the last question of grade 8 live mega quiz of GRIP to decide who the toppers are going to be finally. That is this. Faiz,
Madam Curie?
correct. So that's it.
Is that a
So
tie?
Mary Curie is the correct answer for this, and Faz gets plus 20 out of it. So Chatley gets plus 20 from this round. Faz gets plus 20 from this round. So who's the winner then? What do your calculations say?
Last question. I didn't. Sir, you got
What?
stuck for me. I didn't
Sir, do
see
you
the
have
last
a-
Oh,
question.
don't
You
say
got
this.
stuck
Come
for me.
on.
I was
Wait, you could check. You
like,
can
Don't
check
say-
the recording.
Oh no.
I was
Oh,
like,
that-
I didn't
that's what
see
he
the
was-
picture only. I got this.
Just a second. Just a second. I'm confused. Who's saying this? Chatley or Eva?
Sir,
Chatri, you said.
sir, yeah, me. I didn't see the last question. Like I got disconnected again.
Yeah. I know. Your video is still lagging for us.
Maybe she left the meeting.
You
Chatri got disconnected completely.
got disconnected.
Hmm.
So is there a bonus question?
Bonus question, please.
Bonus question. Who's this
Yeah,
guy?
Yes.
is there?
Sorry?
Ishan sir. I said it first.
It's me.
This time.
I typed in
said
first.
first.
No, but
I said it first.
Faz said it first. So Faz gets 150 and you will get a little bit lesser score.
But this time I said it first, right?
So the person who answers it
Sir,
second
I'm gonna
time correctly gets a little. Yeah, Chatri?
I'm gonna get another person because I didn't see the last one only. And that.
No.
You need a
We warned
bonus
you.
question, really.
If the internet goes away, it's on you. We cannot do anything.
Exactly.
No, I seriously, I didn't. That.
Okay. So, anyways, the results are almost here. Who's going to win? Who has the highest score till now?
I guess.
I think
Hiba
you or
does.
Chatri, one of them.
Mhm.
Hiba,
Yeah, I'm not sure.
as is keeping there. So, can you guys show me what you have written in your papers that you have with you?
I've got this.
Well, I had something. I have like this.
What's
clock
written over
kind of
there?
thing. Well, I was like here,
Should I read
like
this
at
out
the
to you?
very
The clock question. Okay.
on the clock
I
question.
thought
At the
that
next
you I couldn't
question.
solve the computer.
Then I was writing the sh short thing, the short thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have
Okay,
nothing
okay.
else other than that. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Fairs,
have written.
what's there on your
I
paper?
don't have
Um,
incomplete question.
Just a
This
second,
year,
Chatri. Just a second.
This year I was doing Chatri's
Okay.
question, I guess, so which was the mirror and 80 centimeters,
Oh.
and other stuff is just calculation and the P's age and Q's age math question, which I was doing, but I skipped. And that's it. Here I was calculating the scores.
Okay.
Testing
You're calculating scores also.
I was.
Let us do anything. Chatri.
Sorry?
Chatri there? Chatri.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
there, but yeah.
She got disconnected.
All right.
Video is blank.
No, I'm not. I didn't. I just didn't know the question which I didn't.
Chatri, nothing is visible.
Yeah, bring it closer. Bring it closer.
Can you guys see?
I can see the
800
mirror.
meters,
See
I can
the
see.
mirror 80
The mirror question she was
Yeah.
saying. Okay.
Nothing. Look at it. Nothing.
Okay, fine. So let's look at the final scores now that we have. So the final scores for this year are these. Highest score of Hiba, 105.
Nothing
Although
changed.
she took no scores out of the last round.
Like seriously,
Nothing's changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing's changed. It's like the same. We didn't even have to conduct this thing.
Okay, so highest score has been taken by Chetri, 105. Then second is, highest score by Hiba, 105. Second is by Chetri, 90. And then lastly, Faz has got 75 scores. So the third position of this year's grade 8 grip program is Faz. Second position, Chetri, and first position is Hiba. Yes, Chetri?
I can't see your screen. I can't.
All right,
Oh, she got disconnected again.
she got disconnected. I think that should have been a major factor in determining her rank over
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
Because there's a difference of 15. There's a score of difference of 15 between every two people. So that's
all three of
pretty
them,
close. Nice. Very well played, guys. It's really good.
Zero in the
So,
first
Chet,
round.
so Hiba, what's going to be your winning speech?
Well, I'm just mind boozled because like I didn't think that well actually the thing was that I'm not really that good at rapid fires, like even in school, like I mean like I don't really have that edge on rapid fire. So the most the thing I was worried about the most in the whole quiz was the rapid fire round. But like fortunately it went quite well, like it went better than I expected. So, and yeah, I would, and like everyone was like, if you see the scoreboard, then it's obvious that like I took the major lead from that riddle round. So yeah,
The
Right.
riddle went really bad.
That's the major determining factor for you. 55. And
yeah,
Faz is, yeah, for the main round, for like the most unfortunate round for Faz was riddle round only.
Right.
So Faz, what's about it? Like I myself am very poor at riddles.
I'm
So I can
actually
understand.
not really into riddles and the stuff like that. I'm more of the, history and all that other math stuff, so I really
The
don't do
proper
riddles
studies.
at all.
Okay.
And I also think that this quiz was
Hmm.
based on more GK aspect rather than what we learn
Exactly.
in our daily life.
Yeah,
or-
yeah,
That was
yeah.
on the first
Because
part.
science, though, you guys have already been tested on in the previous stages.
Right.
So
Yeah.
let's
If
see
I got the
what else do you
set
know.
of Chetris, I would have got the lead for sure.
Exactly. Yeah.
I could do 4 of those questions.
So like an easy.
What? Could you say
class
that again?
PT.
I could not hear.
I really wish that I got the set C, the Chetri set, because the questions were repeated
Okay,
from last.
Yeah, like the three out of the
Okay,
5
okay.
questions were from last year. So
Exactly.
We see, I've decided the one who gets the lowest score in the first round will be given advantage in the second round. That's what we had done last year also, and yeah, to balance things out, we do that. Okay. Anyways, Chatri, what's your say? But I think, see, the main round was round 3 only, which actually decided, and it's not just that Fairs got low, but very high scores were gained by. In fact, the highest scores in any round were gained by Hiba and Chatri in this round only, 35. In all other rounds,
Yeah.
there have been lesser scores only,
Yes.
or equal. That fell hard. Okay, Chatri, yeah. What's your experience?
Nothing.
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 But
Okay,
like,
so
the
let's
third
move to the.
round. So third round was kind of lucky and unlucky because I did it first wrong and then I got it correct. So yeah.
like I
Okay,
felt
so
I felt so
these are the final.
stupid at the like the
Wait,
beginning.
what? This is this is this.
It's
Sorry. Let's change it a bit.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I got
Let's change it a
it.
bit. No. That's not correct. That's not correct.
Yeah, I
just
got
saying
that. Like the topper got the third position and then
No. But anyways, what would you want to have the prize if you would want to switch ranks?
I wanted the second position.
Yeah, I
seriously
wanted the
wanted
speaker
second
actually. I
position
wanted the
only.
smart speaker. Or
I wanted
actually, I
the
wanted
Okay.
the smart speaker or the
Headphones.
headphones. I wasn't really fond of the watch actually.
I really
Okay.
wanted those head.
What would you want, Hiba?
I wanted either the headphones or the speaker. I wasn't really fond of the watch.
Oh, okay. So you want to become third forever?
No, but nah, that's too big.
Uh,
Of a thing to give up. From ascending order, and then
The answer in
naming
between.
naming
right.
the biggest oceans first.
Each of us got that one right.
Right.
It was just the other way around.
Exactly. Yeah, it was just reversed.
Fat should have got all the points there, but he missed all of them. Like he could have got.
Exactly, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Right.
I guess the nerves
Has
got
got very unlucky in this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he
So
could have got the first
So
40
frustrated.
points.
okay. So yeah, guys, this is the final result that we have. Hiba is at the top then Chaitri second, and then Faz is third. And these are the prizes that they win.
It's the
And
same.
as already told to the viewers on Facebook also, we have the winner of the quiz, the question that we have sent, we have shared earlier on the stories of Facebook and Instagram. They are going to get prize. They are going to get the test series of Ask ITians for 1 year, whatever they are grade in, whatever grade they are in. And the result of that contest is going to be declared tomorrow. The live mega quiz grip of that we are going to have for grade 7 tomorrow. So please be over there and see who is the winner tomorrow. Today's winner we have Viva, Chaitri, and Faiz for second and third positions. So congratulations to all three of you.
It's the
Yeah,
same
thank you so
position.
much.
Like nothing has changed.
Okay, so I think that's it. Again, I would say congratulations, and I would thank everyone,
Yeah, thanks a lot.
the viewers also, and
Thank you.
thank to you guys also for participating and like making it so fun for me. I really enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it too.
You made it fun for us because like especially the bit when you just like
Yeah.
stop screen sharing and you were like, yeah, this is me.
I would have scored the points in that one.
Yeah, you would have gotten plus one. That would like have changed the whole game and you would have been on top.
Yeah, because whole of this quiz is
I got
about
the
me.
third
now.
one.
So
Yeah.
I should be the determining factor for the result. But unfortunately, I am actually not the determining factor. So Faiz, I'm sorry. Okay, anyways, great. Rank 3, like among the toppers, all three of you. Great, guys. So see you then. You also watch the quiz that we're going to have tomorrow, grade 7. And
Surely.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
all the best. Congratulations. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you
Good
so
night.
much.